Good morning guys. So ngayon nandito tayo sa may gate ng Banesa Home Subdivision. So meron tayong pupuntahan dyan guys sa loob. So tara, samahan nyo ako. So ayan guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Banesa Home Subdivision. Kaya pala tayo guys na andito is merong magaganap na okasyon. Meron akong kamag-anak na magbe-birthday. So tatlo sila, mamaya malalaman nyo kung sino sila.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes.
So ngayon guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa tapat ng isang resort na kung saan dito gaganapin yung celebration.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how.
So ayun yung pangalan ng resort guys. So siguro familiar na sa inyo to guys. So naandito na tayo sa loob ng resort guys. Yung mga motor pala na nakaparada dyan guys is malayo pinanggalingan. May from Valenzuela at from Cavite. Yung palang naglilinis ng motor na yan guys is pamangking ko si Darwin Alano. So akyat muna tayo sa taas guys. Mas masarap kasing magpahangin doon. Tsaka kita natin yung view sa taas.
Thought I was thinking straight.
Andito na tayo sa taas guys. Shoutout pala dyan sa babaeng nakaupo, si Miss Nena Jimena Curioso. So ito na yung overlooking dito guys sa taas. Ang sarap kasing magpahangin dito kaya mas gusto ko ditong tumambay. Palang billiard table dito guys sa mga mahihilig dyan maglaro ng billiard.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes. Say I won't misbehave, but I lose control. Late at night, you're calling for me every time playing.
Sa mga naghahanap pala ng private resort dyan guys dito sa may Barangay Pasol, Calamba City, Laguna. So ito yung address dito guys. Banesa Home Subdivision, Barangay Bukal, Calamba City, Laguna.
Thought I was thinking.
Ito guys ay may 3 rooms. Fully air condition lahat.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes. Say I won't misbehave, but I lose control. Late at night, you're calling for me every time.
Ito pala yung pinaka swimming pool guys. Meron silang dalawa. May pang matanda at saka pang bata. So itong pang matanda guys, ang lalim niyan ay 5 to 6 feet. At yung pang bata naman is 2 feet.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's
Nga pala guys, every 12 hours nagpapalit pala sila ng tubig dito. Kaya satisfied kang maligo rito. Alam mong malinis talaga. So kitang kita nyo naman guys, ang linaw ng tubig. Kitang kita yung ilalim. So mamaya maliligo tayo dyan guys. So shoutout pala sa batang ito na napaka-cute. Siya pala si J. Don Matthew Parsaligan. Siya yung nag-celebrate ng 2 years old birthday. Shoutout din pala sa lola niya na si Minerva C. Alano. Shoutout din dyan sa mga kabataan na nagbibideo okay. Jeneline Preyas F. Curioso. At doon din sa katabi niya na si Richard. At doon din sa kapatid niyang babae. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Shoutout din sa iyo sis, Miss Helen C. Chavez. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. So salute pala sa mga cook natin. Nandiyan si Mamita Tia Benos. And then si Kuya Ariel Chavez. Salute sa inyo. Napakasisipag niyan guys.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes. Say I won't.
Noon guys, ito na yung sumunod na nangyari. O yan, nag-set up na kami yan. Then, meron ng mga pagkain. So, mga bisita na lang hinihintay. Thanks pala kay Kuya Ariel Chavez for sponsoring catering service. So, maraming salamat sa'yo. Sila pala yung nag-birthday guys, silang tatlo. So ang best wishes ko sa kanila is more birthdays to come, good health and more blessings.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes. Say I won't misbehave, but I lose control. Late at night, you're calling for me. Every time playing make-believe that we'll get it right. Who are we fooling?
So after ng mahabang preparation guys, so ito na ang pinakahihintay ng lahat, ang kainan. So tara.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes.
So shoutout pala kay Biner Belen, yung magaling na taga-kanta namin dyan guys.
Ala, nilaw na yung ulam nila, Ben. Sino? Nila, Ben.
So ayun guys, kumanta rin tayo dyan ng isa sa pinakapaborito kong kanta ng Entro Boys. So kahit anong gawin natin guys, talagang hindi tayo magaling kumanta. Sabi nga, more practice make it perfect. So eto na guys, the moment of truth. Oh.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes. Say I won't misbehave, but I lose control. Late at night, you're calling for me. Every time playing make-believe that we'll get it right. Who are we fooling? Call it what it is, babe. A simple fascination.
So ayun guys, ang sarap magbabad dito sa swimming pool. Siguro mga 3 oras kaya nating magbabad dito.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes. Say I won't misbehave, but I lose control. Late at night, you're calling for me. Every time playing make-believe that we'll get it right. Who are we fooling? Call it what it is, babe. A simple fascination.
So shoutout pala sa mga pamangkin ko, galing Bulacan, galing Cavite at galing ng Valenzuela.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's always how this goes. Say I won't misbehave, but I lose control. Late at night, you're calling for me. Every time playing make-believe that we'll get it right. Who are we fooling? Call it what it is, babe. A simple fascination.
Shoutout sa inyong lahat, sa mga followers ko dyan, sa mga friends ko. So guys, kaya pala tayo nakakapag-video dyan sa ilalim ng tubig is, ang sekreto nyan is waterproof case lang.
Thought I was thinking.
Shout out pala sa tatlo na yan, si Biner Belen, si Michelle Luneta Corioso, si Helen Chavez Corioso.
Thought I was thinking straight. It's all
So hanggang dito na lang pala yung video natin guys, hanggang sa susunod, paalam.